I run 17 rigs and 36 GPUs on Vast.ai. It pays my electric bill, it pays all of my mortgage, and then pays a bunch of my other bills as well. And in the next 12 minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly why most of you watching this video should not do what I do. And why is that? Because there's a platform that pays less per hour. And for 80% of the people with a gaming PC, it's the smarter move. And if you own a 4090 or a 5090, there's a bonus feature it gives you that no other rental platform on earth offers. Stick around for that part. It's the real reason I'm making this video. Hey guys, Max here. If you've been around this channel for a while, you already know I am all in on Vast AI. I've got an auto installer that I've developed and basically a playbook on how to get into GPU rentals on my website. I've got rigs running 24/7. I literally built a business around teaching people how to host on it. But here's the thing nobody admits. Hosting on Vast is work. Linux, networking, BIOS tuning, CGNet workarounds, IP pass-through, a 500 megabit bandwidth minimum just to get verified. And for a lot of you, especially anyone with a gaming PC sitting idle 16 hours a day, that is massive overkill. So today we're talking about Salad, what it is, when it wins, and when it loses, and the one specific use case where it beats every other GPU rental platform on the market. First off, let me be crystal clear up front. Salad is sponsoring this video. They had no input into what I'm putting into this video. It is all my idea behind this video. That said, I'm not bashing Vast AI. Vast pays my bills. But you have to be honest about what it takes to get there. To host on Vast, you need to install Linux. Most people watching this have never touched a terminal in their life, and that's fine. But it's a wall. You need to get into your BIOS, flip settings most people don't even know exist, or G decoding, resizable bar, IOMMU groups, SVM in an AMD system. If your motherboard doesn't expose those, you're stuck before you even start, although most modern motherboards does allow it. You need 500 megabits per second of bandwidth just to pass verification reliably. And most American households do not have access to that level of internet. On top of all that, if your ISP puts you behind CGNet, basically it doesn't give you a public IP address, or if you're double netted behind a consumer router, so you have the ISP router and then you have another consumer router, and you have not either put that into bridge mode or IP pass through, you're fighting your own network just to accept a connection trying to do port forwarding. And then once you're finally live, you have to price your GPU. Yes, that doesn't sound like much, but trust me, a lot of people struggle with pricing their GPUs on Vast, and they just don't know exactly what to do. Too high, you sit idle. Too low, you leave money on the table, and it's a moving target. And if you price it too low and it's out there 6 months, now you're stuck making less than what you really should be making. If you're building a dedicated rig from scratch, all of that is the price of admission, and the rates are worth it. But if you already own a gaming PC and you just want to make money while you sleep, that price is, in my opinion, too high. So the question is, what if there was a version of this that just worked? And that version is Salad. Salad is a distributed compute platform. The business model is simple. AI companies, image generators, LLM providers, video diffusion models, all that stuff is blowing up right now. They need a lot of GPU power. Instead of building their own data centers, they rent yours. Your gaming PC becomes one node in a giant invisible cloud. They pay Salad, Salad pays you. That's it. Very simple model. And the install is where it gets ridiculous. Step 1, download the Windows app. Step 2, sign in or create an account. Step 3, start earning. It is literally that simple. That's the whole process. No Linux, no terminal, no Docker. That's it. No port forwarding, no verification queue, no bandwidth test. So with that, your GPU is making money. No SSH session, no rate calculator, just Windows like you've always run. So if it's that easy, you might be wondering, what's the catch? We're going to get to that. But first, let me show you the 5 specific things Salad straight up does extremely well. So number 1, it's Windows native. No Linux, just basically what you know. If the words sudo apt install make your eyes glaze over, the point alone is worth the price of admission. Salad runs on the operating system you already know and love. Well, maybe you don't love, but you do use it. The one your games run on, the ones you already know. Number 2, no port forwarding, no network config, no CGNAT pain. Salad uses outbound connections. Translation, if your PC can load YouTube, it can host on Salad. Behind double NAT doesn't matter. ISP locked router doesn't matter. Apartment building with weird networking, again, it doesn't matter. So number 3, no bandwidth minimum, no verification queue. Vast wants 500 megabits down, and Salad does not care. I've seen people earning on 50 megabit connections and even less than that down to 10. And there's no week-long verification queue in order to get to the higher earning tier. The moment you install, you're live, immediately earning, as long as there's jobs available, of course. Number 4, no rate setting headache. On Vast, you have to price your GPU and adjust it constantly based upon demand. Get it wrong in either direction, and you lose money. You either lose because you didn't price it high enough, or you lose that you're priced too high that you're not earning. Salad handles all of that by itself. You don't have to worry about setting the price. And number 5, again, we talked about this, 1-step install, 3 clicks, 4 minutes, done. Super, super simple to install. We've already covered it, but it is worth repeating. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, Max, if it's this good, why aren't you using it more? And why isn't everyone using it? Why are you still on Vast.ai with 36 GPUs? That's a fair question. Let's talk about the trade-off, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. So, honest trade-off, Salad pays less, period, full stop. Not going to pretend otherwise. On Vast.ai, with a properly dialed in 4090, during normal times, I'm seeing about 25 cents an hour, sometimes more on a hot day. On Salad, the same 4090 is going to do about 18 cents an hour. And those Salad rates do fluctuate a bit based upon what jobs are running on their platform, whether they're high priority, medium priority, or low priority. Sometimes you spike higher, sometimes you sit a little bit lower. You don't have any control over it. But here's the math that nobody runs honestly. If your alternative isn't Vast.ai, if your alternative is to do nothing, because you were never actually going to spend a weekend learning Linux, learning networking, then Salad isn't paying you less. Salad is paying you infinitely more than the $0 your idle GPU is making last night. That's the real reframe of this. It's not Salad versus Vast. It's Salad versus your GPU doing nothing for the next 8 hours while you're asleep. And against that benchmark, Salad wins every single night of the week. All right, so how do you actually know which side of this line you're on? I built a simple framework. You want to use Salad if you have one gaming PC sitting idle, maybe even a couple gaming PCs sitting idle because you have multiple people in the house. You want 0 setup work, just keeping it simple. You don't know Linux and you don't really want to learn Linux. You're on a residential connection or stuck behind CGNAT or have a ISP router that really doesn't do port forwarding correctly, or you value your time more than the time it would take to learn all this. Now, you use Vast.ai if you're building a dedicated rig from scratch, you want maximum revenue per GPU, and you might be building multi-GPU systems, and you're scaling beyond, something less than 5, maybe even less than 10. but maybe you're scaling up to 20, 30, 40, 50 GPUs. That's when you'd want to use Vast AI. Also, you have business class internet. So you have 1 gig or higher fiber, generally when you'd want to be using Vast AI. And you genuinely enjoy the technical work to not only get these systems up and running, but troubleshoot them when something goes wrong. And I can tell you from experience, something does go wrong on these systems. So the big thing is you need to be honest with yourself. If you're never going to spend a weekend learning Ubuntu, and that's totally fine, most people aren't, then admit it and pick the platform that matches the life you actually live. Don't pick Vast because some YouTuber told you the rates are higher and then leave your rig sitting unconfigured in a closet for 6 months. That's the worst of all worlds. Now, for a very specific subset of you watching this, there's a third reason to choose Salad that I've not seen anyone else on YouTube talk about. And if you own a 4090 or a 5090, this is the part you came for. So let me ask you a question nobody asks. If you own a 4090 or a 5090, why are you paying OpenAI $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, or paying Anthropic for Claude Pro, or paying Google for Gemini Advanced, when you have in the room with you right now a piece of hardware capable of running models that handle 90% of what you use those services for? For most people, the answer is honest and a little embarrassing because my GPU sits idle and I forget I have it. And even when I want to use it, by the time I downloaded a model and set up Ollama, I've already given up and opened up ChatGPT because ChatGPT, Claude, those are just simple. Salad fixes that in a way that Vast AI genuinely cannot. Here's the differentiator. On Vast, when a renter takes your GPU, they have your GPU. They've paid for that window. You can't just kick them off because you want to write an email with a local LLM. You're committed for that rental. On Salad, there's a pause button. One click, the job stops. Your GPU is yours. You fire up Ollama, run Llama, Qwen, DeepSeek, Mistral. I would say run Qwen. Whatever model fits your card, local, private, free, no subscription, no data leaving your machine. When you're done, unpause, back to earning, your GPU becomes two things at the same time: a passive income machine when you're not using it, and a private AI workstation the second you need one. So let's run some numbers. When we're talking about subscriptions to these, they're like $20 a month. So we're talking $240 a year. If you're subscribed to more than one of them, it just multiplies from there. But if you take it just that you're subscribed to just one, you're saving yourself $240 a year by using your GPU in this fashion. And that adds to what you're making with Salad. So when you run that math, for some of you, the so-called lower Salad rate is actually higher once you factor in the subscriptions you can cancel. You're not picking between two rental platforms anymore. You're picking between renting your GPU out and replacing 3 SaaS subscriptions you're already paying for. That is not a feature any of the other higher GPU rental platforms offer. Not Vast, not RunPod, not any of them. That alone for a lot of you is worth the lower hourly rate 10 times over. So look, I'm not switching off Vast AI. I've got rigs purpose built for it. Vast is the right tool for the job I'm doing. But if I had to start over today with one gaming PC and a normal residential internet connection, I'd start with Salad. Lower friction, lower stakes, and the pause button for local AI is a genuine killer feature that nobody is talking about yet. So are you team Salad, team Vast? Or honestly, what I'd recommend for most people, team both. Run Salad on your daily driver gaming PC, run Vast on a dedicated rig, the best of both worlds, no overlap, both making money. And if you got value out of this, please hit that like button and subscribe on the way out. I'm shipping a video almost every week. And if you're ready to level up from a single gaming PC to a dedicated hosting rig, go watch my Vast AI content. It walks you through the whole thing of installing and how to get my Vast AI auto installer. And with that said, no tabs were harmed in the making of this video. Catch you in the next one.